Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I am Nikhil, I am Men's Image Consultant. Welcome to another video from Bravo Man. Let me make this clear. Let me start this video by saying that we all are different. We have a different mindset, we have a different perception, and we have a different thought process. And the same applies to our style. We all have a different style altogether. I want to share my own perception, my own point of view on basis of my experience. In today's time, no one can tell you what to wear and why to wear and what not to wear. But that being said, other people, they have a real assumptions about the way you look, the way you appear in front of them, because the way you look, the way you take care of yourself, it really reflects on the other people's mind, and they build a different perception regarding you as an overall individual. You know, people start making assumptions on the basis of your dressing sense and also based on the way you present yourself. So gentlemen, today in this video, I'm going to share the 9 things which a man should never wear, and I feel eliminating these 9 things can definitely make you look stylish and classy. So before I get into the video, please consider subscribing to my channel, hit the bell notification icon below so that you can be posted with all my latest updates, as well as you can be notified with my latest videos whenever I post it. And please do follow me on my Facebook page, which is Bravo Man Image Consultant, and my Instagram page is also Bravo Man Image Consultant. I post a lot of style combinations, the day-to-day combinations for men every day. So please check out my Instagram page and my Facebook page, and please don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my page. And without any further ado, let's get in the video. Number 1 on my list, what a man should never ever wear is a square toe shoes. Gentlemen, this is one of the most ugliest looking footwear because they look absolutely pathetic. They look disgusting. I am sharing this because of my personal experiences, because I was the one to wear these shoes in the time when I passed out of my college, and I used to be the one to really wear these shoes. And trust me gentlemen, they look absolutely awful. They look bad. They show around you that you really don't know anything about dressing sense, anything about style, and you are just trying to force yourself to get into a pair of shoes. So that's what they portray. Gentlemen, like I said at the start of the video, that these are my personal experiences. I have committed these mistakes in past, and I don't want you guys to commit this mistake. So please avoid wearing these shoes. Instead, go with a round shaped toe shoes, because those are classic. They give a stylish and a very classy look to your entire attire, and those are really amazing. And invest in a good leather shoes because they will last for really long time. Number 2 on my list, what a man should never wear is a tennis socks, which is a short length. These socks are just meant for your gym or for any sports activities. Apart from gym or any outdoor games like running or any other sports, please avoid wearing these socks for any other occasions, because these socks are not meant for any other occasions apart from sports. And especially when you wear your formal dressing like a suit or a trouser or jeans, any particular dressing, these socks are not meant for any formal or even casual occasions at all. I see a lot of men in office wearing these socks. Gentlemen, in office it's a complete formal attire, and these socks are not meant for any formal attire at all. Please, if you are in the office, always choose a crew length socks which is covering your calf length. Your skin of your calf shouldn't be seen whenever you wear formals. You wear a trouser, you wear suit, that is a complete formal attire. For your formal attire, wear a crew length socks, but please keep your tennis socks and especially these white short length socks only for your gym purpose and not for any other occasions. Number 3 on my list is the tacky shiny shirts. Gentlemen, please, I guess these shirts had their own particular era, and it's gone. these shirts are not to be worn because they are too tacky, they are too shiny, so they grab a lot of unwanted attention. And especially whenever you're wearing suit, because I still see people wearing these shirts underneath their suit, which is absolutely wrong. These shirts are not even meant for party occasions. So please, if you have any shiny glittery shirts, please throw them away, because those shirts are not meant to be in your closet at all. Number 4 on my list, what a man should never wear is the slogan jerseys and the slogan t-shirts. Gentlemen, wearing these slogan t-shirts make you look like way too immature. It looks like a boy at the age of 13-14 who really want to express himself, but then he can't, and t-shirts or the slogan t-shirts are the only way to express himself, which is way too immature. If you really want to wear these t-shirts, you can wear it indoors, but for any outdoor occasions, please keep this t-shirt in your closet, no for outdoor occasions. Don't give reasons to other people to laugh at you and make fun of you. So please avoid wearing these t-shirts outdoor. Number 5 on my list, what a man should never ever wear is the polo t-shirts, which are way too long and they look like kurtas. Gentlemen, your polo t-shirt have to be crisp, they have to be solid colors, basic, but the length of the t-shirt, the fit of the t-shirt, it really matters. Wearing a t-shirt which is way too loose and baggy, it gives a very disgusting look, and it really makes other people feel that you really don't care about yourself and your style, and that gives a wrong impression to others. So please avoid wearing these t-shirts. Whenever it comes to the fit of the t-shirt, make sure that the length of the t-shirt shouldn't surpass your mid-crotch area, and the length of the sleeve should rightly end just above your tricep. So that is the right fit of a t-shirt. And when it comes to a torso fit, it have to be way too comfortable and way too relaxed. This is the right fit of a polo t-shirt. Your polos are classic. Don't screw it up with having it way too long, or having logos all over or printed. Keep it as simple as basic, because your basic is classy and your classic never goes out of style. Number 6 on my list, what a man should never wear is the baggy jeans or the ripped jeans. Your jeans are such an amazing trouser which can only elevate your style if it has a good fit, and your right fit of your jeans is really important. If you wear these baggy jeans, gentlemen, they make you look like a douchebag, and no one wants to really look like a douchebag, do you? So please, when it comes to the fit of your jeans, the right fit at the waist is you need to have 2 finger space right in between your jeans and your waist. That is the right fit at your waist. The same goes with your thigh area. If you want to have a right fit at the thigh area, try to pinch 1 to 1.5 inch of a max cloth from your thigh area. That becomes the right fit at your thigh area. And the most important thing to elevate any of your jeans is the length of your jeans. Your length of your jeans should rightly end 1 to 1.5 inch max just below your ankle bone. That becomes the right length of the jeans. This is the right fit of a jeans. No too skinny fit, no too baggy fit. And please, we are way too matured. Your skin fit jeans, your ripped jeans, your toned jeans, this makes you look way too immature. Number 7 on my list is a sandals. Now, gentlemen, I know sandals are way too comfortable, especially during rainy season. But gentlemen, if you really ask me about my views on this sandals, is I feel that if you really don't care about your looks, if you really don't care about your appearance, your style, then you prefer sandals. We all care about our style, and if you really want to look stylish, please, your sandals are really a complete no from my end. If you really still want to, wear them and look like a douchebag, I guess I can't stop you guys. So gentlemen, number 8 on my list, again, which a man should never wear, is the comfortable cargo shorts. Now I know these shorts are way too functional, because you have a lot of pockets, you can keep a lot of things, they are way too long, but any man wearing these shorts looks disgusting. He looks like a douchebag. If you really want to look classy, and if you really want to look matured at your age, so choose or opt for a chino shorts, a right fit, tailored fit chino shorts, and the length of the shorts should be 2 inch above your knee. That is the right length of the shorts, and it should be a narrow fit at your thigh area. But please avoid wearing these cargo shorts because they look really disgusting. They look pathetic. In terms of these the beach wear shorts, if you are at the beach, if you want to enjoy any beach sports, so then your beach shorts are meant for that. But apart from that, your cargo shorts are a complete no. Please, I mean, avoid. If you have one in your closet, please throw them away. And gentlemen, number 9 on my list, which is again, I guess I really have to make this as a bold statement about not wearing a chunky watches. I know it's a trend. I know that everyone nowadays, they flaunt their big dial watches and those flashy big watches, expensive watches. It's great. I mean, if you have a collection of watches and then if you have one, you have money, if you can splurge, why not? But if you ask me in terms of styling, I would always say a no, because your big chunky watches, they become asymmetrical on the small wrist. Your symmetry is a main element in terms of styling, because the more symmetrical you are, the more stylish and more classy you look. And in terms of these chunky watches, okay, if you have a small wrist and a chunky watch, it's like, you have a big bloody watch on your wrist, which looks really pathetic. Instead, go with a watch which can suit your wrist properly. Okay, so there are different sizes of watches. Go with a proper slim watch. Even if it's a dive watch, okay, your 42 to 44 watch is the best watch, a best size for all the wrist. But please avoid these chunky big watches because they look really awful. I'm not talking about any specific brands, because nowadays all classy and expensive brands have these chunky watches, so I'm not against it. But if for someone who really wants his appearance to be counted, then I would say a complete no for a big chunky watches. And the other most important thing, especially when you wear formals, please do not wear your G-Shocks on formals. That is a disaster. Your G-Shocks are amazing, they are robust, but then they are way too chunky, and please don't wear them on your formal dressing, please, because they look really disgusting. They pop out of your sleeves and they really kill the charm of your entire dressing. So please avoid wearing your chunky watches, especially a G-Shock, on your formal dressing. So gentlemen, these are the 9 things what a man should never wear. If you really care about your appearance, if you really care about style, then please never wear these 9 things. Moreover, I want to give you one bonus tip out here, which is the fit. I don't want to bore you on this because I keep on repeating myself that the fit of your clothes is way too important. If you really want to elevate any of your outfit, the best way to elevate your outfit is by having a right fit. If you wear baggy clothes or if you wear too tight and skinny clothes, they are not going to suit you and they're really going to make you look really degraded and they're really going to make you look sloppy. So it's better you have a right fit of your clothes, and that will really make you elevate your style. And the other most important thing, gentlemen, that will really elevate your style is your confidence. Your confidence is, that is a completely your ball game. I can give you tips on style. I can really tell you what is right, what is wrong, but at the end of the day, you are the one who really gonna wear it. So if you wear any of the clothes, a good clothes with confidence, that really, it really elevates your entire outfit and it is shown on your face and people will admire you, and moreover, be humble, be a gentleman, be a good human being. That is more important. Your style is important. Your style is something which people will really love to see, how you wear and how do you present yourself. But the most important quality of really making you a good human is being humble, being good to others and really being gentle. Gentlemen, I hope you like this video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs. If you love it, please do share it with your friends and family, and I wish to see you in my next video. Till then, look great, feel fantastic, and please be a good human being. Ciao.